How to fix your password must include an uppercase and a lowercase letter. So if you're trying to create a password or set a new password on your Apple ID, and if it's not changing and it says that you need to include an uppercase and a lowercase letter, then what that means is, for example, if you are including a password, like for example, I'll go with password. Now, if this is your password, then it's not a strong password because your password must contain at least one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter. It should not be all numbers, it should not be all the signs, so it must include uppercase letter. Like for example, you can go with the first letter of your password and you can add an uppercase letter, and all of these are the lowercase letters. Now you can go with any symbol and then you can go with any numbers, and that's it. This is a strong password. So you need to go with your password like this. You need to include an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, some digits, and some signs or some codes. And once you enter this kind of password, it will allow you to change your password, or it will allow you to create an account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.